when vision meets expertise, technology drives innovation, and when sustainability becomes a way of life, you create a legacy that transforms industries. And to that, we add new possibilities every day. Process, progress, prowess. This is the Raj DNA. For over 25 years, Raj Process has been a pioneer of innovation, delivering tailored end-to-end EPC solutions across a wide spectrum of industries. From concept to commissioning, we excel in turnkey projects across bioenergy, clean energy, food processing, pharma, chemicals, fertilizers, and more. Over the past 2 decades, Raj Process has grown its reach like the branches of a mighty tree, emerging as a trailblazer by blending patented technologies, multidisciplinary expertise, uncompromising quality, cost optimization, and accelerated project delivery timelines. Our journey has been defined by delivering iconic projects that redefine possibilities, not just in India, but across the globe in 31 countries. Raj Process's state-of-art R&D center at Pune is pursuing technology development both in-house and in collaboration with premier research institutions. In the beating heart of our state-of-art labs, imagination meets the art of engineering. Our 1,200 brilliant minds and passionate hands transform dreams into tangible solutions, pioneering the future. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our robust quality management system, which is built on the principle of continuous improvement. We are certified to ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 14001, 2015, and so on. The systematic management of health, safety, and the environment is and always will be our top priority. Our expertise includes turnkey plants, distillery plants, zero liquid discharge, sustainable energy solutions, hydrogen, compressed biogas plants, drying solutions, evaporation technologies, boilers, mixers, and allied technologies. Our services include feasibility studies, technology selection, design package feed, front-end engineering design, project management, and EPC services. Precision is the heartbeat of efficiency. With advanced digital controls, we ensure every operation is perfectly synchronized. Every process is flawlessly executed. That's why our CSR initiatives are more than just programs. They are genuine partnerships. We don't just implement, we listen. We collaborate hand in hand with local communities, understanding their unique challenges and aspirations, empowering them to shape their own futures. We champion environmental protection, recognizing its vital role in a sustainable future. With a rich heritage of research and innovation, the flawless record of execution, and a team of exceptionally skilled professionals, Raj Process is your trusted partner for engineering solutions. We are dedicated to exceeding expectations, fulfilling the diverse requirements of our valued customers as a world-class, globally competitive, total solutions engineering consultancy and EPC company.
RAJ Process is not just about innovation, it's about responsibility toward the planet, our people, and the communities we serve.
Sustainability is at the core of our mission, making us a source of pride for India and a leading force in the Global South's engineering landscape.